Action.
We need to clean this diwan before my husband's arrive.
Yes, ma'am.
You know we can't enter if they are here.
Yes, madam.
Naman. Pansin mo, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You seems gained a lot of weight. Are you pregnant?
No, no, ma'am.
Moment.
I just eat a lot. So I look fat.
You better be not pregnant. You know we have law here, right?
Yes, no, ma'am. Yes.
The police will get you if you're pregnant and not married.